Welcome to the Supercharge Upper Body Cut. This is your 10-minute bonus section. Now we're gonna work those smaller muscle groups, so I encourage you to probably go with a little bit lighter of a kettlebell on this one. You guys ready to go? All right, let's go ahead. Take it down onto the mat. We're gonna work our chest, so we're gonna do some flies here. So you're gonna take that left hand, palm is gonna be up, and we're gonna bring that kettlebell all the way up to your center line. So when you're ready, let's pull it up. Straight to the top, good. Open up that chest. Make sure that left hand palm is up, straight up. Good, good. All the way, slowly lower the kettle back down to the floor and back up to the top. Pull it up. Good, engage that chest, up to the top. Ease back down again. Pull it up. Now all you have to do is go to your center line. Good, keep going. Pull. Nice. Up again. Keep going. Let's do a couple more on this side and then we're gonna switch it over. 5 more seconds to go. Last one to the top and back down again. All right, now let's switch over to the other side. Take your kettlebell into your left hand, palm up on your right side, and let's pull it up to the top. Good. All the way out, center line, good. Pull it to the top. Good. Remember, that palm is up on the other side. That's gonna open up your chest a little bit more here. And pull. Lower the kettlebell down to the floor and back up again. Good. Last 30 seconds. Come on. Pull it up. To the top. Good. Squeeze, engage your chest. Come on, 15 seconds to go. Make sure you breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Come on, take it all the way up. Keep going. Last 5 seconds. Together. Last one. Ready? And pull it up to the top. Good job, guys. All right, let's take it up to our feet. Now we're gonna work our upper back. This is gonna be the row. So grab your kettlebell into that right arm, stagger stance, left hand on top of your knee, and you're gonna pull the kettlebell to the back of the room. Good. Straight back. Good, shoulder blades are going right to your spine. Good, this is what it's gonna look like from the side. Ready? And pull to the back, good. Bring the kettlebell to your hip. Straight back. Squeeze at the top. Pull. Full extensions here on the way down. All the way back, good. Feel it in your upper back, right, Piper? Nice, good. Keep going, keep going. Last 15 seconds, ready? Pull. Good. That left side just there for support. Pull it back to your hip. Squeeze on your way back. 5 seconds to go, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. Good, last one, and down. Now, reset, left leg back. When you're ready, pull. Good, to the back of the room. Good. Pull that kettlebell to your hip. Good, again, this is what it looks like from the side. Ready? Pull it back. Job, Will. Back. Squeeze. Remember, you're pulling that shoulder blade right into your spine. Back. 30 seconds to go here. Good. Come on, keep going. Ready? Set, and pull. Good job. Breathe. Last 20 seconds. Come on, this is it. Last 20 seconds. Pull it back. Up. Pull. Pull to the back of the room. 10 seconds. Come on, don't quit on us. This is it. Stay with us. You got to bring that power. 5 seconds. Ready? Last one. Pull. Nice job. All right, now we're going to work our biceps. I'm going to go with a little bit heavier weight on this one. So your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. You're going to hinge here at your hips, soften your knees, and you're going to pull that kettlebell straight up. Good. Pull it to the top. Squeeze your bicep. Good. Now this is what it looks like compared to the row. Again, you're gonna pull the kettlebell straight up. Nice. Release to the floor. Good. Full extensions here. Pull. Good job. There you go, Piper. Come on, keep going. 30 seconds here. Squeeze at the top. Pull it up. Let's go. Up. Pull. Feeling a burn? Will? Yep. Come on. Come on, Sherry. Let's go. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds. Come on. Stay with me. Don't quit on this one. Hop, pull. Pull it up. All right, last one. Nice job. Other side, left arm. Sit down into it, feet together, and ready, pull. Come on. Up, right up to your chest. Pull the kettlebell up to your chest. Squeeze your biceps. Come on. Nice. Good. That's what it looks like. Ready? Pull. Pull it up. Come on. Up. Stay with me. 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds. Come on, you gotta power through the burn. Up. Feel this exercise. Last 20 seconds. Up. Come on. Come on. Let's do it together. Up. Pull. Squeeze. Come on. Come on. I know it's hard. You can do it. Keep going. Pull it up. 5 seconds. All right. Here we go. Last one. Last one. Up and down. Okay, back down on the mat. We're going back into triceps. Lighter weight. Let's go. Right arm. Take it back. Palm up. Left side. Ready? And take the kettlebell and drop it straight to the floor. And press up. Straight up. Press, good. Full extension on those triceps. Good. Squeeze at the top, guys. Isolate that muscle. And press. Nice. Keep breathing, keep breathing. You owe me 15 seconds on this side. That's it, 15 seconds on this side. Come on, you gotta feel the burn. Keep going, keep going. All right, one more, all the way down. Press. Nice job, team. Okay, other side, switch over. Let's work that left arm. Here we go. Take it down and press. Come on. Keep it up. To the top. Just let that kettlebell drop right behind your head. Easy. To the top. How's everybody doing? You doing good? All right, good. Keep it up, keep breathing. 30 seconds to go here. You're halfway through on this side. You can do this, you can do this with us. Press. Come on, you're hinging at the elbow. Keep going. Squeeze at the top. Last 10 seconds, last 10 seconds. Up. Come on. Press. All right, one more together, one more together. Take it to the top. Nice job, guys. Last exercise, back on our feet. It's gonna be a frontal raise on this one, so we're gonna work the right side first. Palm is down. Feet are about shoulder width apart. You ready to go? Here we go, take it straight out in front. Good, up, nice. Now that handle's just gonna float in your hand. Good, nice and easy, straight out in front of you. The longer the arm, the harder it's gonna be. 30 seconds here. Good. Soften the knees, make sure your shoulders and your hips are squared up. Straight out in front of you. All you're doing is going shoulder height. Keep going. 10 seconds. Straight up. Here you go. All right, everybody, last one. Up, down, nice job. Switch, other side. Let's work the left one. All right, what we do on the right side, we gotta do on the left. Straight up. Remember, light grip. Straight. All shoulders, it's gonna surround those shoulders. Good, good, keep it up. Straight out. Up. Come on, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Stay with us, come on, it's the home stretch. We're almost done with the supercharge. Come on. Keep it going, keep breathing. You guys good? All right, come on, this is it. Come on, keep that energy up. You guys gotta bring it. Come on, finish it off. 15 seconds. Work through the burn. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Come on. Finish it, bring that power. Come on, 5 seconds. I challenge you. Come on, this is it, last one. All the way to the top, down, and you did it. Awesome job, supercharge uppercut. Congratulations, we'll see you at the next workout. Strong, way to go.